Yep, down. Hopefully only overnight. We'll see what happens. I developed quite a diesel leak and took it to the authorized service center. And as you can see, the air cleaner part is gone and they are ordering the part. So I am actually in an RV park, which is quite a change. This one is quite tight. It was close by where the service center was, so I'll wait and hopefully in the morning they tell me my part has arrived. Uh, 3 days. Third RV park. This is actually Sparks Marina RV Park up off of Highway 80 out of Sparks, Nevada. It's actually quite a nice RV park. So for my second night, I actually went to an RV park in Carson City, which is about a half a mile south of Reno. And I thought, well, hopefully tomorrow morning is Monday, so I'd get a little closer. As you can see, this RV park is pretty nice. They've got the Christmas lights up, and you can't beat the sunset. That was the most impressive part. It was nice and quiet, very clean. So Sparks Marina off of 80 in Sparks, Nevada. Is repaired. Had a fuel leak right behind this compartment here. So I just took and pinched off the line. I didn't know how to stop it. I didn't know it fed itself. So called around a couple local shops where I was. Nobody would do it. So I found a service center nearest to me. Made an appointment. And stayed in an RV park until I could get it because my little portable 100-watt solar charger is not enough to keep me going in 14, 20-degree temperatures at night. My heater's just too potent for that. So I took it to the authorized service center. Figured a fuel leak. They said $100 if they just have to repair the line. And it'd be 4 hours later if they actually had to drop the generator. So I took it in. They said, oh yeah, we can just pull the line off. So they pull the line off and tell me they don't have the part. They're going to have to order it. And it'd be about $50. So they give me an estimate of $700 and some dollars. And it was kind of impressive because an hour they didn't have to drop it, but it was $489 in labor. I was like, wow, you didn't even drop the tank. And they said, well, no, it's only going to be 3.5 hours of labor, even though they didn't have to drop the tank. So I went ahead and I was kind of stuck, and I think they knew that. So they said they can have the part the next day. They order it, doesn't come in, so quite impressive. They called me and they said, well, it's $161 for the part, but it's only the small line that's leaking. It has a little pinhole. It's not the double braided line. And they said, well, we can fix that for $1 and it'll save you some money. And I'm like, well, you already charged me $400 and some in labor, so I'll just go ahead and have it fixed so it doesn't break in a week, and then I have to bring it back for another $500 in labor. So they charged me $161, $48 for shipping, and spent the weekend in Reno. They said it'd only take about a half hour to put it back in. I waited 3 hours at the repair center for the vehicle. I don't know what the holdup was. And then they said, well, we still have a leak in there. It's just one of those hoses up front. So they went ahead and repaired that, and they didn't charge me anything extra for that, but I'm up and running. It was about $800 at the repair shop for a fuel leak. And man, I wish I knew more about this stuff because I wouldn't mind fixing it myself. And I tried, but I just didn't know enough about generators. So it's fixed, it's running great, and we're back in business. Thank you for watching. Generators all fixed. Remember, subscribe and come back next week for another video. Thank you so much for watching.